Born another Chrysler Crown M47. 1957, 23-foot Lyman, I guess. Oh, and hopefully the last Chrysler Crown this year. This is 3 of them. 265 cubic inch, 1957. Good old girl. All right, here's our crown. I have not set time, adjusted the carburetor, nothing. I did shot pop it once before, just for a couple seconds. Let's see what we got here. Cool. Wait for a couple soft plugs in the morning. Put those in right there, and we'll hook water to it and see how she really goes. Set timing, just a carburetor. We'll do another coat. Well, here's our latest 1957 Chrysler Crown. 265 cubic inch out of a 57 23-foot Lyman. Complete overhaul, soup to nuts, everything. It was froze. We had a used manifold. We couldn't fix the old one. The repair facility we're doing the work for had another block, so we had to take 2 inches apart to make one. But this thing sounds like an absolutely million bucks. You will not find a better idling, better engine than the Chrysler Flathead 6. beautiful engine. This is the third one of these this year. Waiting for a manifold to get fixed on another one. This one's headed to Toledo.